Hey everyone, today we have something super exciting to unbox, the Roboki kit. Are you ready to dive in and explore all the amazing components inside? So let's get started. First, take a look inside the box. You will see Roboki and two sensors here. Now let's break down what each part does and how it works. This is Roboki, the programmable device which is at the heart of our kit. It's designed to help you understand how to write a code and bring your ideas to life. Roboki comes with two RGB LEDs right here. They can light up in any color you want. Next we have two switches on both sides of Roboki, switch 1 and switch 2. These switches can be programmed to control various functions in your projects. Imagine turning lights on and off or activating a motor with just a flip of a switch. Look at these external ports on the Roboki. They allow you to connect external sensors. With these, you can expand the capabilities of your project by adding new inputs and outputs. The possibilities are endless. Here we have 4 sets of pins to connect the motors. There are different types of motor connectors. The 3-pin connectors are for servo motors and the 2-pin connectors are for DC motors. This gives you the flexibility to choose the right motor for your project. At the bottom, there are 2 buttons. The one on the right is the power button. This button lets you turn the Roboki on or off. Next, on my left, we have another button called MD button. This button is super useful. It lets you change the modes on the Roboki. Plus, if you ever need to erase the program or reset the device, you just need to press this button. Handy, right? Roboki can be powered in 2 ways. There is a USB Type-C port at the top, and at the bottom there is a power pin to connect external power source to power up Roboki. But the one we have has an inbuilt battery, so it actually turns on when we press the power button. There is one more type of Roboki that doesn't have an inbuilt battery. Hence, we use an external battery which will be connected to this power pin to power up the Roboki. Now let's check out the 2 sensors in the kit. These are the range sensors, also known as proximity sensors. They can detect objects nearby. Imagine creating a project where Roboki can stop or change direction when it senses something in the path. How cool is that? But how do we connect these sensors to Roboki? That's where these angle connectors come in. We can connect the sensors to Roboki using these angle connectors. We also have motors in the box. Motors are fantastic for adding movement to your project. Whether you want to spin a fan or drive a car, these motors will get the job done. Next up, we have 2 different sizes of blocks of your models. You can create sturdy frames and bases for your projects. We also have 2 different sizes of beams, one larger beam and 2 smaller beams. These beams are great for constructing the model structure. Next, check out these wheels. If you want to build a car or any moving models, these wheels will come in handy. Just attach them to your project and you are ready to roll. Similarly, we have a caster socket and a pom ball to make another type of wheel, which is a caster wheel. Lastly, we have axles and 2 types of pegs. The axles connect components to the motor, allowing them to rotate. We have a friction pegs and 90-degree pegs, which help connect the beams and blocks together securely. With these, you can create stable and flexible connections for your models. We also have a pin connector and a block joiner for connecting the beams and the blocks together. These make it easy to build a complex structures quickly. And don't forget this brick. It helps to connect Roboki to the model, providing a secure and a stable base for your projects. Next, to stabilize the model, we also have 2 full bushes. Finally, we have these rubber bands to add additional functionality to our models. With all these amazing components, you can let your creativity run wild. From building robots to smart devices, the Roboki kit has everything. You need to bring your ideas to life. So what are you waiting for? Let's start building and see what amazing things we can create together.